Find features that differentiate it from other brands for COSTWAY, 290 pints, commercial dehumidifier with pump. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 290 PPD Commercial Grade. This industrial dehumidifier efficiently extracts up to 290 pints of moisture daily, 95° F/90% RH, and offers 30 to 80% adjustable humidity settings. It effectively covers spaces up to 9,000 square feet, making it ideal for basement, warehouse, construction site, and gym. Convenient built-in water pump. Featuring an integrated water pump, this industrial dehumidifier provides effortless and hand-free drainage with a maximum vertical pumping height and drain length of 16 feet. Included is a 3.3 feet drain hose for flexible water disposal, reducing maintenance hassle. Intuitive touch control panel, equipped with a sleek touch screen, this dehumidifier displays humidity levels and allows selection between 2 fan speeds. Additional functions include a 24-hour timer and an auto defrost mode to enhance usability and performance in cooler environments. Effortless mobility and stability, designed with 4 swivel caster wheels, 2 equipped with brakes, and built-in handle, this dehumidifier is easy to maneuver and secure in place, offering flexible placement in any large indoor area. Practical user-friendly details. The dehumidifier comes with a removable and reusable mesh filter for simple cleaning, a convenient drain outlet for water flow management, and a cable holder to keep cords tidy and organized. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.